wrong, but this time when you go back, God says, I'm going to prove it. Oh my God, y'all come on here. In this hour, the Lord said, undeniable. But everybody prophets, everybody ain't getting it. Because we still got some people that's sweeping sin under the rug. Oh my God. The Holy Ghost said that sin can't even be, when it go under the rug now, sin is being exposed real fast. Who baby is this? Come here. This baby right here, I see the hand of God on this baby. Oh my God. Have a perfect work, that you may be perfect, entire, wanting nothing. Y'all, I need just a few people to catch this. God says in this season, if you allow patience to work in you, you will never want for nothing else.
Come on.
Some of y'all just missed that. You want to know why you've been wanting for stuff? Because you ain't patient enough to wait on God. A lot of us just are moving before God, and the reason you're not getting what you really want because you are not patient. But God said today, if you allow me to work my patience in you, you will never want for nothing else. You will never have to ask nobody for nothing. You will never have to rob Peter to pay Paul. Why? Because you learned how to wait on God. You got to wait up on me. So you got to use the word and work it for you. Yes. I ain't said use a prophecy.
Come on.
That's what's wrong with the church. We got caught up in prophecy that we missing the word. And the Bible said he honored his word above his name. Any word readers in here today? So God says, if you allow me to work my patience in you, you won't want me for nothing. Let me skip a little bit. But let him ask in faith. You want to know what's wrong with the church? We asking for stuff, and your situation look bad, and it causes you to waver. It's just like God say, I'm going to heal your body. But it seems like the more God tell you He's going to heal your body, the more pains you feel. So you feel like you got to trust what the doctors are telling you. Come on, somebody.